Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Samsung Watch to your laptop. First, ensure both your Samsung Watch and laptop have sufficient battery life. Next, download and install the Samsung Flow application on both devices. For a wireless connection, confirm they are on the same Wi-Fi network. Alternatively, have a compatible USB cable ready for a direct, wired connection, offering flexibility in how you link your two devices. To connect wirelessly, open the Samsung Flow app on your laptop and tap Start. Do the same on your Samsung Watch. Your laptop should then display a list of available devices. Select your watch from this list. A passkey will appear on both screens. Ensure these numbers match exactly before confirming. Finally, grant any requested permissions on both your watch and laptop to establish a secure and seamless wireless link. For a wired connection, first, use one compatible USB cable to physically link your Samsung Watch to your laptop. Once connected, open the Samsung Flow application on both devices. On your laptop, select the wired connection option within the app. You'll then follow a few simple on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. This method offers a highly stable and often faster data transfer, which can be beneficial for larger file synchronizations or when Wi-Fi is unavailable. Once successfully connected, you can enjoy several benefits, such as receiving watch notifications directly on your laptop screen. You can also easily transfer files, view photos, and manage various watch settings from your computer, enhancing your productivity. If you encounter connection issues, try restarting both your watch and laptop and ensure the Samsung Flow app is updated to its latest version. Also, double-check your Wi-Fi or try a different USB cable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.